Hello everybody! Welcome back to another Creative Berries Connect the Dots drawing video. In this video, we're going to be drawing a happy emoji. Go get your art supplies, your paper, pencil, and marker, and let's get drawing! Get your dot-to-dot printable from the description below and follow along with me. Let's grab your pen, and we always start at number 1. Now if you look at the numbers here, 1, 2, 3, and you count all the way along to number 16, you'll see that it's a circle. So you can do one of two things. You can draw freehand all the way around to make your circle, or you can use a template, like this bowl. I'm going to use this bowl because it's the perfect size for the emoji face. There we go, perfect circle. Next I want you to notice that inside the circle we have letters. A, B, C, all the way around to G and then back to A. I want you to follow the line all the way around on both sides. These are going to create the emoji's eyes. So just like this. Up and around, down. And now we're going to do a little curve. And there we go. There's one eye. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side for the other eye. And there we go. We have two eyes. Now, the same thing as you can guess, we're going to be counting letters, and this is going to create the mouth. So we're going to go from A all the way to I, and back down and around to A again. Nice smooth curve up, and then we're curving back down. If you have to do it twice in 2 motions, that's okay. And there we go. So I'm going back and I'm drawing the inner circle of his eye. Just like that. And we're going to do the same thing for the other eye. There we go. And now the 2 small circles inside the eye. 1 and 2. You could use the circle template if you want, like I've done in my other videos, or freehand like I just did. Now you're going to do a small curve inside for the teeth. And a few smile lines in the corners of his mouth. Now for fun, we're going to add some eyebrows way up here. And let's do the tongue. And boop. And boop. And we've done our emoji. If you don't like how your picture turned out, you could always redo it. Remember to draw with a pencil first before you go with a marker. Now I pick a yellow marker because, well, emojis are usually yellow. Now go get your pink, black, and gray markers, and that's going to be for tongue, eyes, and shadows. Using the pink on the tongue, black is going to be for the eyes and the inside of the mouth, and gray is going to be for shadows on the teeth. But I also use a dark pink and a dark yellow for shadows on the face and the tongue too. I hope you guys had fun with this emoji. Come back and check out the next emoji video. Bye!